seems like only yesterday
was when they first arrived at Upgrade Scholastic Academy. With nervous faces on their first day, with wonders in their eyes, but found a classroom filled with love and care, full of colors, shapes, posters, alphabets and numbers, scissors, tape and glue. In a year, they gained friends, learned values and courtesy, mastered social studies, science, language, mathematics, to read and to write, but ultimately developed with love and care. And today, finally, fully equipped and ready, they are now ready for moving up to the next level of education. Welcome to Upgrade Scholastic Academy 3rd Moving Up Ceremony. And to formally start this program, may I request everyone to please rise for the Philippine National Anthem, Invocation, and New Lucena March.